Generative AI in manufacturing. Manufacturing use cases and measurable impact. The AI-driven production experience, helping manufacturers run smart and adaptive operations. 44% of manufacturers have implemented or are planning digital twins to optimize workflows. AI and the workforce, reimagining industrial work through human plus AI collaboration. Only 13% of German manufacturers had significant AI adoption in 2023. The prototyping breakthrough, overcoming slow R&D cycles with AI-accelerated design. Robots in the wild, scaling autonomy across real-world, unpredictable environments. Manufacturers globally are rapidly increasing investment in AI-driven robotics, with over $1 billion spent on generative AI in manufacturing in 2023. 37.7% CAGR. Forecasted growth rate of generative AI in the manufacturing sector, 2024 to 2029, driven by design, simulation, and prototyping use cases. Predictive intelligence DNA, creating a self-improving manufacturing engine. 20% to 50% faster cycles. Enabled by digital twin technology, helping manufacturers accelerate design, testing, and predictive operations. Strategic value creation, building the next generation of intelligent manufacturing ecosystems. $43.6 billion to $153.9 billion. Industrial AI market growth forecast from 2024 to 2030, reflecting massive transformation value. Build the data foundation today for intelligent manufacturing tomorrow. Reach out to us, accelerating the digital enterprise.